Hey boys and girls, today we are working on the Great Depression. So we're going to do one day of the Great Depression. You're going to go into your social studies folder, and here you're going to have two videos. You have a Brain Pop video on YouTube and a Life in the 1930s video. So the Brain Pop one is going to kind of give you a little bit of a background of what the Great Depression is, and Life in the 1930s is going to give you a little bit about what life was like for people. It's going to show you pictures of what how people dressed, how much money things cost, how much people got paid, and give you a little bit of an idea of that information. The next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to download this article, and you are going to read through the article. And after you do that, you are going to want to answer the questions attached to your assignment. So there are 5 questions. So you're going to use your article to answer those questions. After that, you're going to try your hand at Hoover slang. So using inferencing, context clues, those skills that we've used all year long, try to figure out what each one of these Hoover slang terms mean and draw a line to the definition. You will then want to answer the question, why do you think Americans named these items after President Herbert Hoover? Why was that influential? Just a quick guess. If you want to look it up, you're more than welcome to, but it's just a fun little activity to go with it. And once you're done, both the questions and the Hoover slang, make sure that you submit your completed work.